to see my favorite character being drawn. Oh, I'm so excited.
If you like our videos, like and share. Subscribe for more videos on Baby Tube Fun.